Actually, who's the investment banker? Investment banker is nothing but a financial intermediary between the issuer and the investment of the securities. Investment bankers are basically intermediate between the issuer and the investor securities. Its primary task is to sell the securities on behalf of the company, such as underwriting the shares in case of new company. If the company want to go to public, investment bank underwrite the shares, and they will issue the shares on behalf of the company. Example, in order to expand the business, the company need the money, and the company does selling its shares to investors. Investment bank helps in the corporates in this respect, and they will say that they will make a deal, and they act as an intermediate, and they help their clients to underwrite the shares, the bonds or shares, acting as an agent in the issuance. Just like they are we use the easy term called as a brokers between the issuer and the investor. Okay, for the investment banker, it is not a simple function. It is used for a range of the underwriting of the shares, selling of the shares, and trading of the securities. And the investment bankers are also providing the financial advisory, such as the mergers and acquisitions advice, and divestiture advice, and private equity syndications, and IPO advisory, and managing the assets. Okay, for the investment bankers, major players in the investment banking is nothing but Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and Morgan Stanley, and Barclays, and Citi, and Deutsche Bank, and there are the many other banks. Credit Suisse. Or the major areas, generally corporate finance. Corporate finance is generally two different functions: mergers and acquisitions and advisory. And mergers and acquisitions is nothing but if the company want to gain strength, it will go by the mergers and acquisitions. Under this aspect, corporate finance and investment banking helps in negotiating and structuring the merger between the two companies. Example, if the company want to buy another company, it will take the help of the investment banker, who will assist in finalizing the purchasing price, nothing but the purchase consideration. He coordinated with the bidders and performing the financial due diligence. He will perform all kind of the due diligence and make a target price, and ensuring the smooth running of the transactions. Mergers and acquisition include the buy side and sell side. However, the sell side holds the key, because the investment banker helps in placing the stocks and the bonds. Okay, and underwriting is a function where it helps the clients in companies, like raising the funds for the company. Whenever the corporate wants to raise the capital, it will take the help of the underwriters, who purchase unsubscribed portion which is not taken by the investor. Underwriters will go through this. And sales is important part of investment banking. The main task of the sales of investment banking is to help enable the high net worth individuals and institutions to take from the money from them. And trading